Good morning, guys. We're still here at Western Universo in Rome, and we're having our breakfast. And you can see there's a lot of variety here. You have some eggs here, and then we have, I think these are also omelets, and rice with vegetables. And then we have some vegetables and fries, and we have bacon and pizza and some bread, and we also have pastries. There are a variety of pastries with croissants that you could put, insert flavors in it. A lot of variety, and also juices and coffee. Guys, second day in Rome, and we're going to the Colosseum, and later on we're going to the Basilica around 3 o'clock. We'll see later today what we're gonna find out here in Rome. Hello guys, we are here at the Colosseum. We are at the bridge, and we're just looking right through it. Colosseum here in Rome. Really nice. And this is the main street. Look at this Colosseum, guys. Look at this Colosseum. Really nice. Wow! How is it, babe?
Oh,
Pretty good?
amazing. It's actually not something I get off hot
Nice, nice. A lot of people taking pictures here.
A lot of vendors, a lot of tourists.
A lot of tourists, a lot of vendors.
Taking pictures.
Pictures of the Colosseum. Really nice though. Look at the back. Alright, guys. Now you see it. To get to the Colosseum, we have to take the underpass. And then here, it's actually a train station. And then there's some coffee bars, pizza, snacks up here. You exit here. We are on the Ark of the Constantine, and if you pan this way, you'll see another ruin over there, and then you go up here and you see the Colosseum up there. We have this water here for free. Wow. At the Colosseum. You're gonna get some refill. All the way to the Colosseum over there. Up here are the ruins. We're going to eat now. It's lunchtime, and we've done with the Colosseum, seen a lot of ruins. Now we're gonna have lunch here at Burger King. Burger King it is. And one interesting fact about this Burger King, it has a gas station. First time I've seen this. Now we are here at St. Pietro Square here at St. Peter's Basilica. Really big.
Let me look at this first.
This is in the middle of the square.
So what are these?
These are the tombs of the saints.
Io vi prego, andiamo avanti, cortesemente, grazie, avanti.
It's bronze.
We're entering the holy door. It's open for Jubilee year. You've been on this side?
These aren't listening.
Jubilee year, a lot of pilgrimage here. Pilgrims. A lot of pilgrims here.
The dove is the Holy Spirit.
A lot of pilgrims here right now. We're going to the dome of the Basilica. A little bit steep here. All right, we made it to the dome. It was a little bit of a climb. Coming up here. Alright, we are continuing our journey to the dome. See how it is. We're gonna go this way. You're gonna be able to see down there. Oh, we could see the. Nice. That's nice. Look at this. You can see the altar of the Basilica, the main altar. So mass going on, and then on the dome you could see nice paintings here. I'm gonna go around the dome. A minute. Very nice here. In this dome, there are really nice wall paintings. Look at this. You come up on these narrow steps to the very top of the dome. It's narrow. It becomes more narrower.
Pasa, hijo. ¡Hala!
It becomes very narrow, guys, here. To the top of the dome. Now we are here at the dome. Finally, we made it up here. And see you guys. We are here at the back of the dome. Nice view. Vatican City. At the back of the entrance. We are done, guys. We are done with St. Peter's Basilica. The crowd have thinned out, not like this morning. There's a concert here going on near the
We, as
Basilica.
youth of the world, from the entire world, gathered
Youth concert, I guess.
we gathered in the original shrine, the place where it all began. That place where Father Kentenich and a group of young people decided to dream big dreams. That uniting their hearts with Mary, they could transform the world. Ellos creyeron en que la Mater pudiera transformar esa esquina de Alemania, esa capillita, en un lugar que transforme el mundo. Y es verdad que el santuario transforma el corazón. Cada uno de nosotros, cada uno estamos llamados a ser un santuario vivo para trasformare este mondo.
È vero, e anche qui a Roma vogliamo essere quel fuoco.
Concert going on here at the Jubilee year. Right, just walking down this street near the St. Peter's Basilica, trying to get some dinner for tonight, and we found a gem right here at the Vatican. And now we're gonna go left, guys, and you're gonna see what we're talking about. Here it is, guys. Right here. Right in the heart of the Vatican. It's a Jollibee. Right here at the heart of the Vatican. Jollibee is here. Now we are walking after going to Jollibee. Now we are on our way to the Spanish Steps, and really nice kind of cobbled. Ano ba yung cobbled road? Cobbled steps. Cobbled streets. I don't know what it is.
High-end din eh.
Huh?
Kita kayo Lamborghini. Infinity.
We are on the high-end shopping district, actually going to the Spanish Steps. See, they have Ferragamo, they have Pomelato, Celine up here, and then they have Hermes at the corner, and they also have Jimmy Choo. We have Jimmy Choo here. We have Mont Blanc. We have Giorgio Armani. This is the Spanish Step in the peak of a season. Peak season. Peak summer. This is the Spanish Step, full of people. Lots of people here. Gonna go up the steps. All right. How is the Spanish Steps? It's steps.
I was more excited about seeing all the designer stores.
How was the Spanish Steps?
I'm enjoying it.
Chad, you're
I mean,
tired.
you know what? If I did, I actually need to buy a Blue Day shoe.
We are here at this big monument, and it's all the way to the top. It's the Virgin Mary. Really nice. And there's a wreath. How did they put it up there? The wreath. The wreath is all the way up there, guys. I don't know how they put it up there. And then we're gonna move on.
There's even one
Huh?
concave mirror.
There's a concave mirror. Don't know what it is for.
I feel like a death ray.
What?
I feel like a death ray, honestly.
There's something to put there. I
You know what? Maybe when the sun's overhead, it like really shines it on the
guess. Look at this big stuff in here. We are now at the Trevi Fountain. And probably there's a lot of people in the Trevi Fountain. This is the Trevi Fountain, guys. The Trevi Fountain, guys.
Me, Ivy.